weekend, we were extremely busy, especially at our most popular trailheads. We had a couple of instances where cars were creating their own parking spots. There were several hundred people gathering kind of through one of our major trailheads, which of course is not social distancing.
And that is causing concern among medical professionals. Right now, most city, county, state, and national parks all across Arizona are still open to the public, despite the COVID-19 outbreak.
March tends to be our busiest month of the year anyway. I think because there are some closures around the community that there are folks who are finding their way to us.
While the Arizona Department of Health Services still is classifying hiking as a safe activity to practice during the outbreak, it's also recommending that people maintain at least 6 feet of distance from each other. These photos taken this past weekend at Phoenix's Papago Park showed that most were not practicing social distancing from each other. Currently, Maricopa County has the highest number of coronavirus cases in Arizona. And despite this, in a statement to Cronkite News, the Maricopa County Parks and Recreation Department says that they have, quote, canceled all park programs and events, closed all park nature centers and group ramada reservations, closed group youth campgrounds, and stopped accepting future reservations for these areas. They also posted signage on all playground areas stating that usage is not recommended at this time. Meanwhile, the National Park Service manages 24 properties in Arizona that are also currently open. Last week, it was announced that it would be waiving all entrance fees to its parks, a decision questioned by those who worry about the overcrowded open spaces.
What we were seeing was that some parks were already starting to close their fee booths just because they weren't able to have somebody there to collect. And so providing that consistency to just waive the fees across the board made it easy, again, because some of those parks were already in that position.
Lacayo also says park goers do have a responsibility to keep others safe if they choose to use the facilities.
We're all in this together, so if you happen to be at a park that is still open, that has some accessibility, to make sure that they're helping us by following the latest CDC guidance, making sure they're keeping their distance from people if they're not feeling well, to just not go.
In Phoenix, Frankie McLister, Cronkite News.